Your girlfriend asks for your phone passcode. Do you give it to her?
Yeah, I have nothing to hide.
All right. Privacy is dead. But seriously, is sharing passcodes ever a good idea? Let's argue in the comments.
Do you have a backup of your photos anywhere other than your phone?
No. If I lose my phone, they're just gone, I guess.
Ransomware loves people like her. What's the best way to back up your data? Help her out in the comments.
Is Face ID 100% secure? Can someone unlock your phone while you're sleeping?
No way. My eyes are closed. It's not going to work.
He's never heard of attention-aware settings. Experts, how easy is it to bypass biometrics? Drop the truth in the comments.
If you're walking into your office and a guy with 2 heavy boxes asks you to hold the secure door open for him, do you do it?
Of course, I'm not a jerk.
That's how a physical breach starts. Who wants to explain tailgating to this nice guy? Comment below.
If your son called you sounding panicked, saying he's in trouble and needs money, would you send it?
Immediately.
Anything for my boy. AI voice cloning can mimic anyone with just a 3-second clip. How do you verify an emergency call? Let us know in the comments.
Is it safe to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as a pin if you change it every week?
Yeah, I'm rotating it so it's fresh.
A fresh pile of trash is still trash. Experts, how long does it take to crack a 6-digit pin? Comment the answer.
Have you ever clicked accept all on a cookie banner without reading it?
Every single day. I just want to see the site.
You just sold your soul to 500 advertisers. What's the safest way to handle cookies? Let's hear it in the comments.
Do you use public USB ports to charge your headphones?
Yeah, all the time at the mall.
Data isn't just for phones. Anything with a chip can be compromised. What's a USB data blocker? Explain in the comments.
Do you tag your exact location on Instagram while you're still at the restaurant?
Of course. I want people to see where I am.
She's literally mapping her house for burglars in real time. Who's gonna tell her about digital stalking? Comment below.
Your smart doorbell makes you feel safe, but did you ever change the default password it came with?
I didn't even know it had one. I just plugged it in.
A hacker is literally watching your front porch right now. Who wants to explain why default settings are a gift to hackers? Tell us in the comments.
If you get a call from Amazon support saying your account is hacked and they need your password to fix it, do you give it to them?
Well, they sounded professional, so yeah.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you lose your paycheck. How do you spot a fake support call? Tell us below.
Do you think your Mac can't get viruses?
Everyone knows Macs are immune.
That's the biggest myth in tech history. Macs are targets too. Who's going to tell her why? Drop it in the comments.
If you find a free V-Bucks or free Fortnite skins generator, do you put in your login?
Yeah, my cousin did it and it totally worked.
Your cousin is a bot now. How many of you fell for the free stuff trap? Be honest in the comments.
What does the S in HTTPS stand for? Super? We are all doomed. Someone help her out in the comments.
If you get a text from FedEx saying your package is delayed and you need to click a link, do you click it?
I order a lot of stuff, so yeah, probably.
Smishing is at an all-time high. How do you tell a fake delivery text from a real one? Comment below.
Do you think a hacker can see what you're typing just by watching the heat signatures on your keyboard?
That sounds like a sci-fi movie.
Thermal imaging attacks are real, folks. How do you protect your PIN at an ATM? Tell us your tips below.